infertility is now become a couple disorder. It involves equal problems between the men and the women. Okay, but are we have an understanding over the last 2 to 3 decades, the last 20 to 30 years, the infertility is rising in alarming ratios, in alarming trend. What is this main reason for this? Many of us have thought the environment is the main factor, and we are all thinking the food is the main factor. Many of us have thought the lifestyle is the most important culprit for this increasing trends in infertility. But we have to understand all these things are influencing one part is called the male partner. Okay, so once upon a time when we see any couple with infertility, we corner the female partner and we discourage them, we put a lot of blame on them, and they go to a very psychological disturbance, and we corner only the females when there is a problem of infertility. But now equivalent to female, the male partners are going into this problem.